In a move that is being dubbed as historic, US Presidential-elect Joe Biden has named Deb Haaland, a Native American congresswoman, to be the first Interior Secretary in his cabinet. If confirmed by the Senate, Haaland would become the first Native American to lead a US cabinet-level department. Reacting to the nomination, Congresswoman Haaland said that she would be honored to move the Biden-Harris climate agenda forward, help prepare the government-to-government relationship with tribes that the Trump administration ruined, and serve as the first Native American cabinet secretary in the US's history. Apart from Haaland herself, several netizens welcomed her nomination. Apart from Haaland, President-elect Biden also nominated Michael Regan, an African-American environmental regulator who had also brokered the US's largest coal ash cleanup. Either pick has not been publicly acknowledged by Biden's transition team. Haaland's nomination was commended by the US Native American community. President of Navajo Nation Jonathan Ness commented that the nomination was historic and marked an unprecedented day for all the indigenous people of the US. President-elect Joe Biden's picks go well with his public pledge to make his cabinet as diverse as possible. Biden picking Haaland is being seen as a tough call, as Biden has to remove a Democrat from the House of Representatives at a time when Democrats' majority is hanging by a thread. However, the move will definitely be a boost to the indigenous people of the United States of America. 60-year-old Deb Haaland is a member of the Laguna Pueblo tribe and was born in Winslow, Arizona. As a single mother, Haaland had her ups and downs both in her life and her political career. Haaland had once started a company that prepared salsa dips to support herself and a young daughter. She also overcame alcoholism and poverty and rose to the ranks of a congresswoman in a country where Native Americans and the indigenous community were discriminated. Haaland's father, J.D. Dutch Haaland, was a decorated Marine, and her mother, Mary, had served in the Navy. While remaining active in her tribe, Haaland also served as a chairwoman for the Laguna Development Corporation Board of Directors. Unable to clear the law exams, Haaland joined politics and she worked her way up the local Democratic Party from scratch. Haaland had also worked full-time for Barack Obama and served as the state party chair. A prominent voice for the minorities, Haaland's nomination will surely aid the minorities and the indigenous communities of the US.
To sustain us. And I am here because